Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a glowing text effect to your video in DaVinci Resolve. So type in Fusion Composition under Toolbox, select it and drag it to like your clip like so. I'm just going to split the clip, select the Fusion Composition and go here to like the Fusion part, so like Fusion page, and then you're going to either right click add tool, or it's easier to type control space on your keyboard and find text, then add. Then you're going to want to select control space again and find uni.ecto and select add. Then drag this line here and this line there. And like the text bar, you want to just type in whatever you want. I'm just going to type Valorant. Here you can change the font and the size here. As you can see, you can also edit like the glow edges too. So select Uni Ecto. And as you can see, the glow intensity is a bit too much for a text. And then you can select like some presets from here, or you can choose like by yourself. So I'm just going to adjust again the size and the intensity, and I'm just going to select the inner color, sorry. Like okay, and I'm just going to select the outer color for it. You can adjust the glow settings here, inner thickness maybe, like so. And that's pretty much how you can add a glowing text effect. Make sure you go to playback and make sure the render cache is smart and the timeline resolution is 2/4. You can adjust that later. I mean, like if the like video looks not like high quality, that's okay, because we just need to use it so the video will go smoother like when we're editing, and so it can like render better. And then once you're done, you're just going to export that later in a more high def resolution. So that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!